Hello sir, good morning. My name is Sudip. I am 39 years old, and before I work in Dubai 2 years, and after I went to Qatar. Here is plumbing work 3 years also. Now I am here in plumbing in Nepal. Now I start the plumbing. Thank you, sir. Pipe range, and this one is solid range in adjustable solid range, and this one is die machine, GI cutter machine, cutting machine. This is a T, PVC T, and this one is exo blade. This one for water level, and this one is Y, PVC Y. 25 Y. This one is PPR pipe. It's 25. Cello tape. Showing the my scale. You can adjust for this one. After I. Okay. This is the hot water. This one is cold. You can. Thank you, sir.